Hello friends. Are you willing to resolve your current marriage issues and restore your marriage? Is it hard for you to forgive your partner for the repeated mistakes he or she is doing? Making mistakes is good. In fact, it's obvious that human beings make mistakes. What is important is, do you grow from your mistakes? And mistakes are the learning tools. So the same way, they have a role in our marriage, a specific role in our marriage. Are your mistakes killing your marriage, and are you repeating them over the period of time? So no matter how much you apologize, the damage is already done. In such situation, if you and your partner are still not ready to rectify them, then your marriage is definitely going to suffer. Hi, my name is Leena Paranspe, Millennial Marriage Coach, and I help individual spouses to explore new possibilities in resolving their current issue and bring harmony and peace in their marriage. Which are those mistakes that are killing your marriage every single day? So here I am going to share the 3 marriage murdering mistakes. Yes, 3 big marriage murdering mistakes millennial couples do often, and after that I'm going to share the 5 major steps couples must take to avoid them. No marriage is perfect, so rather perfection is no more a trend nowadays. So mistakes are natural and you must make them, but you need to realize, very importantly, whether they are damaging your relationship. So in that case, your apology, no matter how many times you will apologize, is not going to work. Let us begin with those marriage murdering mistakes. You can just sit back, relax, and resonate with those mistakes. The first one, lying. Even though you call it a white lie and tell your partner, you are actually cheating your partner. So you feel your spouse will not know about it, but the truth will come out one day and your spouse will feel deceived by you. The second mistake is showing disrespect. Once the insult enters the marriage, believe me friends, it spoils your relationship. Your spouse starts taking you for granted. The third is constant nagging. The arguments differ in every couple, and it is good as well as it is obvious. So however, you must accept and respect them. The difference of opinions does not make you incompatible, with your partner. Step back, think about it. Are you rejecting your partner's opinions? In marriage, it is a mistake to expect your partner to have the same likes and interests similar to you. These are the big mistakes that hinder your marriage growth. The point is, are you willing to rectify your mistake and restore your marriage even in the worst of the worst situation? So here are the 5 major steps I'm going to share right now, which you can take immediately to save your marriage. The first on the list is, be honest. Make things crystal clear even though so much damage might have happened. So it's never too late. Sit with your spouse, admit your mistake, apologize truly, and not just for the sake of saying sorry. Okay? And then give a warm hug. Your true emotions will definitely reach and bring your partner close to you. Believe me. The second on the list is, give respect. Marriage needs a lot of space for each other. So every time interfering in your spouse's space will make your spouse irritated and start avoiding you. Marriage always asks for a positive attitude by encouraging each other. So the key is just show respect towards each other. The third on the list is, break your belief. Do not push your spouse by constantly complaining, blaming, making a belief that your marriage is already damaged. It's not the same thing going to happen in future, right? The couple's behavior changes along with the marriage patterns. So the things will happen the way you want. It is just that you both have to figure them out. We are changing every time. So does our marital relationship. Change in marriage is a sign of growth, and believe me, you are changing every single day. So does your marriage will change. The fourth on the list is appreciate little things. I can understand to some extent it is very tough enough for you to appreciate your partner in the current situation when the damage already has happened in your marriage. However, trust me, once you start adoring your spouse for small things, your partner will be happy and remain connected with you. Activities such as like helping your spouse in household chores, making the Netflix playlist ready to watch, planning the surprises for your spouses, it will make your marriage better. The next on the list is effective communication. Every time I keep on saying this. Learn the art of interaction unintentionally, but the words hurt your spouse. What you speak, when you speak, and how you speak matters a lot. Once you start using the words consciously, it is easy for you to address the tough issues also and find out the solution together. I'm sure after following these 5 steps, you will create a strong bond with your spouse and you will start avoiding repeating the marriage murdering mistakes. So do make mistakes, but make sure every time you will make a new mistake. I'm sure you are powerful enough to bring the change and save your marriage from dying. I completely understand what you are going through currently. How about having a fresh start? My question is that. So there is always a light at the end of the tunnel. So I sincerely request you to acknowledge the above tips and work on these 3 major mistakes. A high time to introspect ourselves. In case you face any challenge, feel free to reach out for help. Please drop your queries or views in the comment box if you like the content, and subscribe to my channel and become a channel member. Till then, have a meaningful, happy and fun-loving marriage. Thanks a lot for watching.